pleasant day to you, Sir, Ma'am. I'm VJ Ann Batagtalong from Cabugao, Apayao. I was born on March 26, 1985, and I'm 41 years of age at this March 26. I'm happily married and we have 2 children ages 5 and 3 years old. I finished my college degree taking up Bachelor of Science in Nursing. I applied in Hong Kong November 2014 to November 2018. I served 1 couple and 2 children ages 9 years old and 7 years old. And in Macau, I served 5 of them including 1 year and 6 months old. Sir, Ma'am, my main duties and responsibilities are taking good care of the children, washing the clothes, cooking, ironing, and cleaning the house. Sir, Ma'am, I am willing to take good care of a newborn baby and I'm willing to teach them how to read and write in English. I want to work again in Hong Kong to earn money and to support my family. And to my future employer, please choose me and I promise I will do my very best and do my duties and responsibilities to you as my employer, as well as I promise to finish my contract to you, Sir and Ma'am.